Hey Michael, can you believe the festival is almost here?
I know, right? It feels like we just started planning and now it's happening.
I started packing already, but I keep thinking I'm forgetting something.
Same here. I keep second guessing what I've packed.
I even made a checklist just to be sure.
That's smart. I should probably make a checklist too.
Have you decided what outfit you're wearing the first day?
I haven't decided yet, but I'm leaning towards something super breathable.
I'm going with something light and breezy. It's going to be so hot.
Great choice. You always know how to dress for the occasion.
I found this cute hat that'll keep the sun off my face.
That'll definitely come in handy with all the sun we'll get.
And of course, sunglasses. No way I'm squinting through the whole weekend.
Oh yeah, I can't forget my shades either.
I also grabbed some biodegradable glitter. Gotta sparkle responsibly.
Biodegradable glitter? You've officially thought of everything.
Do you think I should bring a poncho? The forecast says only a slight chance of rain.
Good call. A poncho doesn't take up much space anyway.
I don't want to be soaked if there's a surprise downpour.
If you bring one, I will too. Better safe than soaked.
I packed my mini first aid kit too. Better safe than sorry.
That's a solid idea. I'll throw in some band-aids and painkillers.
Oh, I found this tiny foldable chair. Perfect for when we want to chill.
I've seen those mini chairs. That'll be a game changer.
I'm bringing some wet wipes and hand sanitizer too.
Yep, hand sanitizer is a festival essential for sure.
Honestly, I'm most excited about dancing under the stars.
I'm with you on that. Dancing under the stars sounds magical.
I've been listening to all the bands on the lineup to prep.
I've been doing the same, trying to learn all the lyrics.
There's this DJ on Friday night that I can't wait to see live.
Friday night's going to be wild. I've heard their live sets are amazing.
I even made a playlist for the drive there.
A playlist? Perfect. You're always thinking ahead.
Should we stop for snacks on the way? Or pack them all now?
Let's pack most now and just stop for cold drinks on the way.
I'm bringing trail mix, dried fruit, and some protein bars.
That sounds like a solid snack lineup. I'm stealing your ideas.
And a cooler with some drinks to keep in the car.
Smart. A cooler will definitely keep things fresh.
I bought a new reusable water bottle with a filter. So handy.
Oh, nice. I just grabbed one of those too, with the filter built in.
Oh, and don't forget a flashlight or headlamp for the campsite.
Got it. I'll pack my headlamp. It'll help at night for sure.
I ordered glow-in-the-dark tent stakes, so we don't trip at night.
Glow-in-the-dark stakes? You're on another level, Sarah.
Are you bringing your hammock? That would be so relaxing.
Yep, bringing the hammock. Nothing beats a good nap between sets.
I want to bring my journal to capture everything.
A journal is such a nice touch. You'll love looking back at it.
I even got a disposable film camera for some fun vintage pics.
Disposable cameras are so fun. I'm excited to see how those pics turn out.
I can't wait to decorate our tent. I bought some battery fairy lights.
Oh yeah, fairy lights make any tent 10 times more festive.
Should we set a meeting point in case we get separated?
Definitely. We'll pick a tall landmark as our meeting point.
I always get turned around in big crowds.
Same here. It's so easy to lose track of where you are.
I'm planning to bring my phone, but keep it in low power mode.
I'm bringing a power bank too. We'll keep our phones alive.
I downloaded the festival map, just in case signal is bad.
Good thinking. I've already downloaded the schedule and maps.
I hope the food trucks are as good as last year.
I'm hoping for good food options this year. Fingers crossed.
I'm craving those loaded fries already.
Ah, yes, those loaded fries. My mouth is watering already.
Do you remember that smoothie booth we loved? I hope they're back.
That smoothie booth saved my life last year. I hope they're back too.
I want to try something new this year. Maybe henna or a flash tattoo.
Flash tattoo? Go for it. I might get one too.
I'm also packing extra socks. I learned that lesson the hard way.
Extra socks? Absolutely essential. Wet feet are the worst.
Are you bringing a deck of cards for downtime at the campsite?
Cards are a great idea. We'll have something to do while we chill.
I bought a little speaker so we can chill with music before heading in.
I'll bring a Bluetooth speaker too. Pre-festival jams are a must.
I also made a little flag with our names so we can find our tent easier.
That flag is genius. We'll never lose our tent again.
I'm so excited to just vibe and be surrounded by music and good energy.
Couldn't agree more. I just want to soak in the music and vibe.
I've been counting down for weeks.
Same here. It's been the highlight on my calendar.
I think we should write down the sets we want to see so we don't miss anything.
I started a list of must-see sets too. Let's compare notes later.
I love how creative people get with their outfits. It's inspiring.
I love seeing how everyone expresses themselves at festivals.
I might bring a lightweight scarf. I can use as a shawl or picnic blanket.
A scarf is a great multi-use item. Super handy.
I got some temporary tattoos that match the festival theme.
Temporary tattoos? That's going to look so cool.
We should take a before and after photo of us each day.
Yes. Before and after pics are a must. We'll be unrecognizable by day 3.
I'm planning to go tech-free for parts of the day to really be in the moment.
That's a great idea. Unplugging a bit will help us stay present.
I'm also bringing earplugs for when the bass gets intense.
Earplugs? Smart move. The bass can definitely get intense.
I hope we get to meet some fun people while we're there.
We always meet the most interesting people at these things.
I love hearing other people's stories and festival traditions.
Same. I'm looking forward to hearing stories and making new friends.
Oh, and I packed a small mirror for face paint touch-ups.
Mirror. Check. I'll bring one too for touch-ups.
I also made friendship bracelets to hand out, just for fun.
You made bracelets? That's so thoughtful. People are going to love that.
I think this year's festival will top all the others.
I have a feeling this will be the best one yet too.
I'm so glad we planned this months in advance.
Yeah, planning early really paid off. We're so prepared.
I just know we're gonna laugh so much.
You already know we're going to laugh non-stop the whole weekend.
I'm bringing a rain cover for my backpack just in case.
Oh, nice. I'll bring a rain cover for my pack too, just in case.
I'll probably cry a little during the headliner's set. It always gets emotional.
Honestly, same. Music just hits different in those big moments.
I'm gonna try to stay off social media during the festival and just live in the moment.
That's a good mindset. Less screen, more living in the now.
I'm seriously so hyped. It's all I've been thinking about lately.
I've been hyped for weeks. It's hard to focus on anything else.
Okay, I think I'm finally ready. Let's make this the best festival ever.
Let's do it. We're ready. Let's make this weekend unforgettable.